Office vocabulary in English. Do you work in an office? Want to sound more professional in English? Let's learn some useful office words. With real examples, it's easy and fun. Office. A place where people work at desks. I go to the office every morning. Colleague. A person you work with. My colleagues are very friendly. Meeting. A group discussion at work. We have a meeting at 10 a.m. Computer. An electronic device for processing data. I use my computer to send emails. Printer. A machine that prints documents. The printer is out of paper. Overtime. Working more than regular hours. I did 2 hours of overtime today. Team. A group of people working together. Our team finished the project. Salary. Money you get for working. Her salary is paid monthly. Interview. A meeting for a job. I have a job interview tomorrow. Client. Someone who buys your service. We met with the client this morning. Recycling bin. A bin for recyclable items. I put the plastic in the recycling bin. Surge protector. A device that protects electronics from power surges. I use a surge protector for my laptop. Server. A computer that manages network data. The server crashed during the meeting. Flash drive. A small device for storing data. I copied the file to my flash drive. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.